Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous, fully restored 1966 Impala, 327 4-speed, sitting on dog dishes. Really sinister looking. Lemonwood yellow. Gorgeous paint, chrome, stainless. Got a T3 headlight up front too. I would guesstimate to say not many miles on the restoration on this car. Really has a nice stance to it. Guys racing bikes down there. Beautiful interior, bench seat, belts all the way around. Just a nice car, man. Jeez. Custom 6x9s in the back. It's a 327 rebuilt to factory specs, but it's got double hump heads. Those are Fuelie heads, so it gives it a little bit of more flow, obviously more horsepower. Edelbrock high-rise manifold. Looks like a Holley 650 carburetor. Obviously power steering, power brakes. Nicely done with the right tower clamps everywhere. And finished off with Corvette polished finned valve covers. Electronic ignition too. It's a General Motors style. Long tube headers. Front end was just aligned. Car runs beautiful, nice and cool all day long. Showing 41,384 miles. I would say it's original. Man, those heads sound so nice. Full gauge pack, oil, water, amps. Beautiful dash. Gorgeous headliner. Let's say this car is really nicely restored. Right down to the stoppers in the back of the seat. I mean, it's just so pretty. Really nice underneath it too. Got some turbo style mufflers. Give it a nice lumpy sound. obviously much wider, probably 8-9 inches. Love the small blocks. It runs so cool all day long. Reliable, turn the key and go. Beautiful panning under the hood. Car's done right now. Down to the horns. New battery. Car is owned by a legendary race car team.
What was the team again? What was the race car team? Larry McClure Racing.
Larry McClure Racing. Man, he spared no expense on this car. Love the color too, it's so pretty. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call, 631-339-0399. Hit that subscribe button. Visit my website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.